In this video, I will show you what may be the first of its kind in the crypto industry. Life insurance, not in US dollars, but in Bitcoin. But before we continue with the video, if you guys want to trade crypto, you can do so with BloFin. And if you register with my link below, you have a chance to win up to $5,000 in bonuses. This project is unlike anything you've heard coming into the cryptocurrency industry. We know that the goal of the broader crypto market is to usurp the pre-existing traditional infrastructure that has formed the foundation of the Web 2 Internet as we know it. Traditional applications cover finance, corporate investment mediums, and insurance. What if you could have all of your insurance in digital assets? That is what, meanwhile, a Bermuda Monetary Authority regulated crypto insurance firm is all about. You get to insure your assets, not just that, your life, in a long-term strategic insurance scheme tied to a cryptocurrency of BTC's stature. People are beginning to believe much more in Bitcoin's application and its long-term potential in these sectors. Meanwhile, is BTC specific, but the project developers aim to expand into other cryptocurrencies. What interested users stand to gain from interfacing with the platform is what exists in traditional insurance schemes. Most users can get a premium in Bitcoin and recoup their insurance claims in the form of BTC. This means you can insure an amount of up to $50,000, but it is stored as Bitcoin and invested as Bitcoin. This could lead to a significant ROI considering the long-term potential of Bitcoin. If your insurance gets activated and invested at a lower price of Bitcoin after years, and the price of BTC grows to a much higher price, your entire portfolio would be much more significant in ways that getting insurance in dollars can never give you. Unlike BTC, $1 is just $1. With inflation, what you buy with it can be reduced over time. You may not get as much ROI on a lifetime investment of US dollars. However, insurance secured in Bitcoin at $55,000, and the claim when BTC is $100,000 many decades from now will not be child's play. Premiums invested in Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies could enhance the policy's value, capitalizing on market growth. Moreover, smart contracts on the blockchain could automate various aspects of policy management, including premium payments and claims processing. This would enhance transparency, reduce administrative costs, and ensure timely payouts. The company is quite upfront about how it operates by clearly stating that all investments made with users' premiums, their reserves, and periodically audited financials are in Bitcoin. It is an all-crypto product through and through. Meanwhile's operations include underwriting, claims, reserving, and actuarial, which work in standard ways, all in BTC. The insurance firm has some pretty solid backing. It raised at least $20 million from credible investors like Gradient, Northwestern Mutual, Muro, also known as Santander, MS and AD, Stillmark, and CEOs and founders of insurance, fintech, and crypto startups. One of the reasons why BTC life insurance is incredible is first that it is tax efficient. With regular fiat currency, people often get taxed at the start of getting a premium on an insurance scheme, and at the end when they want to access their claim. Holding Bitcoin instead takes away the burden and enables reduced money loss to taxation and inflation, as the case may imply. What's more, users get to do so in an asset that promises guaranteed growth and return. Also, it pretty much makes any insured a long-term holder of Bitcoin in the true definition, since it lasts their whole lives, ensuring a long-term increase in value. This insurance is not just meant to hand over peanuts of whatever is left of your overtaxed returns. Still, it can also mean an investment that will lead to an intergenerational wealth transfer, given the full extent of Bitcoin's price in the long term. Sure, BTC is expensive, hence they made it easy to pre-fund a premium account because you can pay in 10 equal installments if you open a premium pre-funding account. You can also designate those you want to be beneficiaries and the rate at which you want them to get paid. For example, you can specify that you want your beneficiary to get paid 0.5 BTC every year for 10 years, depending on how much it has accrued. The volatility of Bitcoin could pose challenges, necessitating strategies to manage fluctuations in value. Insurers might offer options to peg payouts to fiat currency equivalents to provide stability. Developing supporting infrastructure, such as partnerships with cryptocurrency exchanges and wallet providers, would be crucial for the widespread adoption of BTC life insurance. It also provides security as you can obtain tax-free policy loans. This allows you to leverage the growth of BTC to get more Bitcoin and sell to cash. You can pay back the loans or just net them out against the benefits accrued when you pass. If you plan, it lets you enjoy a good life before and after you pass. Another incredible factor that should interest participants is the initiative's commitment to aligning the interests of its users regarding tax. Tax implications vary by jurisdiction and could affect policyholders and beneficiaries. Hence, adequate efforts are devoted to providing clear guidance on the tax treatment of Bitcoin transactions, which would help customers understand their liabilities and the security their life insurance in BTC gives them. And with increased institutional adoption of Bitcoin, we are likely going to begin to see more insurance firms try to replicate what Meanwhile life insurance program is implementing and lead to a more enormous splurge of investment into the Bitcoin market, which in the long term could sponsor the long-term value of Bitcoin. It will make sense in the same way that Bitcoin ETFs are considered pivotal to the long-term efficacy of the BTC price value, which many expect will lead Bitcoin to reach about $100,000 in the coming bull run. That's all I have for you today. Let me know what you think about. Meanwhile, in the comments below, and I will catch you guys in the next one.